Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable Gboard now so typing becomes faster. First, install Gboard if you haven't. Then open Settings and go to Languages and Input. This is where keyboards live. Tap Virtual Keyboard, then Manage Keyboards and flip Gboard on. Once done, make sure you accept any prompted permissions so features like clipboard and voice typing work. This step prepares the system, so you can switch into Gboard immediately when composing messages. Now configure Gboard so it fits how you type. Open the Gboard app and visit Preferences to enable glide typing and adjust keypress sound or vibration. Those affect speed and feel. Move to text correction to tune autocorrect, suggestions, and personal dictionary so Gboard learns your words. Add languages and enable emoji suggestions for richer messages. Finally, check clipboard and voice typing. These give quick paste and dictation power. Once set, finish by switching into Gboard in a message and testing everything you enabled. Type with glide input, try voice dictation, use emoji suggestions, and paste from clipboard. This confirms settings. If keys feel off, return to Preferences and tweak key height or sensitivity. If Gboard lags or crashes, restart the host app first. If that doesn't help, clear Gboard's cache or reinstall it. That one troubleshooting tip: reinstall resolves most persistent problems and gets you back to smooth typing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.